This headphone promises more than 100 hours of battery backup on a single charge. With ANC, it seems a promising option at just Rs 2000. Hey guys, I'm Dipankar. In today's video, I'm gonna talk about Zebronics ZEB AEON. This is the retail box. Now let me show you the unboxing. You get the Zebronics ZEB AEON headphone. It comes with a Type-C cable for charging and a 3.5mm male-to-male cable for using the headphone as a wired headphone if you want. Now let's have a look at the design and build. The headphones are made of plastic but they feel good for the price. They are lightweight and comfortable. Ear cups and headband have cushions padding for the comfort. Headbands are also adjustable to fit most heads. The ear cups fold inwards for easy storage. However, the folding mechanism uses plastic hinge, which might raise durability concern in the long run. The left ear cup is your control center. There is a 3.5mm jack for wired listening, a Type-C port for charging, a tiny LED light for charging notifications and a power button. The power button also acts as a play-pause button. There are also volume rocker keys and a dedicated ANC button. These buttons are easy to reach and use, so you can easily control sound, music and calls. The sound quality is decent for the price range. It is similar to other headphones priced around Rs 2000. The headphone packs 40mm drivers that perform well. The headphone sounds well with good bass along with clear mids and highs. But don't expect audiophile level detail or depth. It does not become too loud even at loudest volume level. Another good thing is that it does not leak much sound, so the person sitting next to you won't know what song you are playing. The Active Noise Cancellation is one of the features that make it a notable headphone. However, the ANC performance is average. You will only notice a slight difference after you turn on ANC. That might be acceptable for a budget headphone, but if noise cancellation is a major priority for you, then this headphone might not be a good choice. The headphone also has a gaming mode. Double tap the power button to switch to gaming mode. Enable gaming mode to reduce the latency while playing games. I tried it while playing games and it works well. The calling experience is good. The ANC performs well and you can also have good calling in outdoor conditions. The headphone also supports dual pairing, so you can keep it connected with two devices at the same time and use it accordingly. Zebronics claims 110 hours of battery life on a single charge if you use it around 50% of sound level. I have been using the headphone for more than a week for both music and calls. Since the ANC does not make much difference, I kept it off all the time. I got around 70 hours of battery backup on a single charge. That's also really impressive. With ANC on, battery backup will further drop. Counting exact hours for such a long battery backup was not easy. I was also using the headphone mostly at 100% sound level. That is the reason I am putting approximate numbers. The headphone takes around 2 hours in charging. So, is the Zebronics ZEB AEON for you? If you prioritize crazy battery life and a good sound at a budget-friendly price, this headphone is for you. It's a great option for casual listeners who need headphones that can last for days. If you want premium build, premium sound quality and good ANC performance, this headphone is not for you. That's it for this video. Thanks for joining me. If you found this review helpful, hit that thumbs up and subscribe for more honest tech content. Let me know in the comments what headphones you would like us to review next. See you guys in the next one.